Hi friends, welcome to Teja Chaitanya classes. Today in this video, I want to say about Srinivas Ramanujan, who was a great mathematician. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Madras. He is a man known for his work done in the field of mathematics, and that too with no formal training of that subject, which others are getting in European countries. Ramanujan developed his own mathematical research in insulation. Some extraordinary contribution done by him in the field of mathematics are mathematical analysis, number theory, infinity series, and continued fractions. Along with these, the legend has provided many theories. His education. He was enrolled into the Telugu school but found it too tiring and uninteresting to attend school, and mostly he used to run away from there. Later in 1904, he graduated from Town Higher Secondary School. He also received a scholarship to study at Government Arts College in Kumbakonam. During his studies, he was so influenced by studying mathematics that he could not focus on any other subjects and failed in all of them. These resulted him in losing the scholarship. Later, without any degree, he left the college and continued to independent research in mathematics. His career. His unconditional love for mathematics was driving him to develop new things for that subject, but to support his livelihood, he was working as a clerk in the Accountant General's office at the Madras Port Trust. He kept working on inventing new mathematical theorems, and continuously tried contacting the experts from West. G.H. Hardy, an academician at the University of Cambridge, recognized the brilliant work produced by Ramanujan and invited him to visit and work with him at Cambridge. Here Ramanujan became a Fellow of Royal Society and Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. At the end, Ramanujan died on 26th April 1920 when he was only 32 years of age. His death occurred untimely because of illness, malnutrition, and possibly liver infection. In this short life, he gave around 3,900 results, mostly equations and identities, and almost all of them proved to be correct and original. Thank you.